we are now moving to urban development because we know that the regions is not only growing socially, but it's also growing in the urbanscape. In this urbanscape, we need to have also take a look or emphasize in the managing resilience in the infrastructure. So basically, if we have a good infrastructure or a resilient infrastructure, we can have a better basic services in the cities. Something like this. So in the slides that you can see that there are many things to be considered of, like energy, public spaces, solid waste, transportations, water sanitations, industrial and logistic, and etc. etc. If we can have all of these aspects as resilient as possible, we can have a more resilient urban system. And if anything shocks or stresses happen, we can also strive to be better and maybe thrive to survive. So in this we have 3 points here. So we need to make a whole territory functional, like I mentioned before. Resilience, if something happens, it's still functional, because if we have as infrastructure, we can also strengthen the social, economic, and environmental resilience. And also the second one is about the enhance the inclusions and competitiveness of cities. So when we enhance the inclusion and competitiveness, so they can improve their infrastructural aspects and become more resilient. And the third one is LRG, drive and resilience strategies need to ensure that these infrastructures have up-to-date self-protection plans. Like I said, the self-protection plans is in another ways resilience in itself. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, sorry. The previous slide, please. Yes. In this slide, we need to focus both the strengthening of hard elements and also soft aspects. The hard elements is like physical aspect, like water and sanitation infrastructure, and also networks infrastructures, and etc. etc. But soft aspects, we need to have also take a notice and the human capital, monitor and maintenance measures, as well as legal codes. I think these legal codes and buildings governance economic will also be connected to the next lecture. And you can see that there are many keywords here: flexibility, resistance, maintenance, redundancy, communications, decentralization, and response plan. It is several things that we need to have in this to manage resilient urban systems.